first graders, welcome to day 2 of Science with Space, in Space. So once again, we're going to be looking at this every single day. Hopefully you'll be able to remember this for a very long time. The cause of Earth's day and night, so we talked about this yesterday, is the rotation. Rotation means the spin. As the Earth spins, some of it is toward the sun, and some of it is not toward the sun. So this would be the day part, if that's where the sun is. This would be the night part. Okay, so rotation, that's our word. Okay, when the Earth goes around the sun one full time, that's 1 year. So 365 rotations is 1 revolution. So a revolution around the sun is 1 year. And then seasons, winter, spring, summer, and fall. The reason why we have seasons is not because of the sun. Lots of people think that. It's not the sun. It's the tilt. Okay? So the Earth is not like this. See how this picture says no? That's not how the Earth is. The Earth is tilted. And the revolution, where it is in the revolution, and the tilt are what make the seasons. So just remember that word tilt. Okay, friends, so today you should have this packet, and we're just going to pull this top one off because we're working on the sun. Okay. So you may use your crayons, you can use your pencil. I'll use some crayons. So, one moment. Okay, so hopefully you were able to watch the videos. And let's write, this says, write down facts that you have learned about the sun. So here's the sun. So we're going to write sun right here in the middle. So I'm going to get my black crayon. I'm going to write sun, because that's what we're learning about today. Okay, so think in your head, can you think of any facts you learned? You can write those down. I'm just going to write a few down too. So first of all, the sun is a star. I'm going to write star. Okay? Maybe I want to draw a little picture of the sun. But it actually is a star. Okay? Another thing about the sun is it's the closest star to us, to Earth, okay, because that's where we live. So the reason why the sun looks so big to us is because we're closer to the sun than any other star in space. Okay. Another thing that's super important, so maybe you want to draw a picture of the sun, and we'll make the Earth kind of green. There's the Earth. Okay, because we're closer to the sun. Another thing is the sun is hot, right? It's hot. Another thing is it gives us light. That's very important. It gives us light. And heat. Okay, those are very important. That's what helps us live on the Earth. Okay. Okay, another one is it is the center of our solar system. And you can pause the video if you need more time. Okay. So let me explain what that means. So I'm going to draw the sun. If this is the sun, all the other planets go around the sun. The sun is in the middle. It is the center. Okay, so all the other planets go around the sun. The sun is in the center, right in the middle. Okay, so if you want more time to finish, you can pause the video. Once you're done with this, go ahead and turn it over. Okay, this says directions. Draw a picture of the sun. Write to tell what the sun is. Okay, so we've really been working on informative writing. So I would love for you to get out your pencil, not your crayon yet. I'm going to use a marker so that you can see it. I don't think I have black anymore, so I'll use brown. And we're going to write 3 sentences that are facts about the sun. Now remember, facts are always true. So if you need to remember some facts, you can turn your paper over. So for me, maybe the first thing I want to say, what is the sun? It's a star. So I'm going to write the, remember, we start with a capital, and handwriting is important, the sun, don't forget your finger space. Oh, sun is a name, it's a proper noun. Sun is a star. And star is not a name, it's just a noun, something. So there's my first fact. And I want a full sentence. I don't want us just to write star, hot. I want the sun is a star. Okay? Let's look at our other paper. What else would we want to say? Ooh, that's really important. It gives us light and heat. So I'm going to say the sun again. Start in the corner. Capital. The sun is a name. Sun gives earth. Earth is a name. That's where we live. The sun gives earth light. I'll help you spell that one. That's pretty tricky. L-I-G-H-T, light, and heat, warmth. Otherwise the earth would be very cold without the sun's light. Okay? So this is my next sentence. The sun gives earth light and heat. Okay, let's look at my facts. I use this one and I use this one. You could say the earth is hot. It's the closest star to earth. It's the center of our solar system. So I would like you on your paper to write one more fact for me. I would like a full sentence. So if you just write hot, I need a sentence. The earth is, you would say the sun is hot. You would say the sun is the center of our solar system. And then go ahead and draw a picture. Please remember to take a picture of both of these and send them to me so I can see your work. Okay, everyone. I hope you had fun learning about the sun today. I'll talk to you later. Bye.